stitch in time saves nine. Our wisdom old, our truth divine. With needle swift and thread so fine, mend the tear before it's aligned. A very charming good morning to one and all present here. Revered judges, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I want to shed light on a timeless proverb that holds immense wisdom. A stitch in time saves nine is an old age proverb that carries a profound message for taking timely action to prevent bigger problems. If we address a small issue promptly, we can prevent it from becoming a larger, more complicated problem in the future. This saying is often used to emphasize the value of proactive and timely action. My dear friends, life teaches us to make good use of time, while time teaches us the value of time. In education, this proverb reminds us of the importance of staying top in our studies and seeking help when needed. But falling behind in schoolwork can lead to stress and lower grades. But with timely action and support, we can excel in our studies. In career, taking timely action can lead to success. Meeting deadlines, addressing work-related challenges, and seeking professional development opportunities can help us advance in our chosen fields. My dear audience, the main motive is to know about the value of time because time is precious, time is money. Someone has said it right. Time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. But once you have lost it, you can never ever get it back. Everyone have 24 hours in their hands, and time is a precious element for all of us. Now, you have to decide that how will you utilize your time. So, instead of wasting your time in the trivial issues, you should focus on the main thing. The proverb is strongly tied to the notion of effective time management. When individuals have challenges, they should address them while they are still minor. Failure to do so is bad as the situation worsens and becomes more difficult to resolve. It is wise to handle it as soon as possible because if it is not resolved promptly, more and more difficult problems will arise. In essence, a stitch in time saves nine serves as a reminder of the power of foresight, diligence, and responsibility. By heading this timeless wisdom, we can navigate life challenges with greater ease and ensure a brighter future for ourselves and those around us. So at last, I would say that a little effort now, a stitch or two, save countless troubles that ensure